Court in Abuja has been adjourned till April the 26th. Justice James Soho adjourned the case after hearing a motion by the counsel to Mr. Kanu asking for stay of proceedings pending the hearing and determination of the appeal challenging the ruling of the court delivered on March the 7th, granting the request of the federal government to shield witnesses. At the last sitting on March the 9th, Justice John Soho fixed today's date. After the proceedings, the prosecuting counsel, Mr. Muhammad Biri, indicated interest to oppose the motion. People of Biafra, alongside Benjamin Mabubugu and David Nwauzi, are challenging the ruling of the court for witnesses to testify behind closed doors.
The situation of the judge is very obvious to the whole world. Like what transpired this morning, Judge cutting short of the first counsel to adumbrate on the argument. The right of adumbration is a right under our procedural law, governed by the use of the courts. And having been provided as such, the court should allow us to adumbrate on our motion filed before the court. So the disposition of the court, no matter what we put on the to the court, is very obvious to the whole world. And this is part of the reason why we are saying we are asking the court of appeal to direct the CJ to reassign the matter and that court. It's not about the grounds of appeal that the court is biased. It's obvious.
It's just an application which they filed to stop the proceeding in this matter. And in view of the recent Administration of Criminal Justice Act, which was passed in 2015, the prosecution is desirous of seeing that this case is dispensed with with dispatch. But we are shocked at this kind of applications. And, well, we have responded to it. But what is more shocking is the idea of alleging bias on every kind of judge, every judge that appear to preside over this matter. They raised an allegation of bias against the first judge, and now the matter was transferred to another judge. They raised another allegation of bias.
The Deputy Speaker of the Nasarawa State House of Assembly, Godiya Abacha,